everybody, this is Eka Rivera from the Strings Learning Channel. This time I'm going to be explaining how to play A Whole New World. This is from the Disney movie Aladdin, and it's a very famous soundtrack. It's probably one of the most famous soundtracks from Disney, and it's not that hard to play actually. It's a very user-friendly type of score. It's in the key of D major, and it really doesn't have any fast passages or any strange areas where you have a lot of flats or sharps. There's only one time where you need to slide back your first finger to reach for a D sharp, but that's about it. So I'm gonna be going over that measure. So if you look at the score, I'm highlighting that note right now with a green stripe. So that's the D sharp on the D string, and if you can see the finger numbers, you have the first finger for that, and also I'm highlighting the note before that, which is an E. So you're gonna have to slide the first finger from the E to the D sharp, and then you're gonna have to stretch to reach for that second finger, F sharp, and all of this is on the D string. So let me show you where they are. So highlighting the E first, that's your yellow sticker or first stripe on the D string. Nothing strange about this note. You'll be playing this note a long time, but from here you're gonna slide back to the D sharp. So same finger, just slide it back and make sure you're right in between the first stripe, or if you have these stars, between the first star and the nut of the violin. So you got finger number one, slide it back for a D sharp, and then you're gonna stretch extra so you can reach out for this F sharp. It's just the regular F sharp that you've been playing since the first time that you played anything on the D string, so this is not uncommon. The stretch is, okay, but not the note. The note is an F sharp. After this, you're gonna go back to an E, first finger, and then you have a stretch. I'm highlighting that note. This is a C sharp. C sharp with your third finger, G string. And in order to make it sharp enough, you actually have to place the third finger a little further ahead from the blue sticker. So as long as you stretch a little bit, that's really the last unusual or difficult note that you might encounter. After that, you have another C sharp somewhere else, but it's not really that difficult to reach. So a little practice, a few repetitions, and then you should get this song really good. So so now I'm gonna go over it slowly while you get to see the score being played on screen so that you can follow me playing slowly, or if you just want to watch first and then figure out where the fingers go, that's fine too. But make sure that you do a few run-throughs with slow motion, and I do play with a metronome for all of these tutorials, so that way you can have a precise idea of where the beats go. So here's the slow motion.